पर्यटन खाते आणि गोय पुलिशेन राबयिल्ल्या संयुक्त मोहिमेन 30 पर्यटक दलालांक ताब्यात घेतिल्ल्याचे उत्तर गोय पुलीस अधीक्षक नितीन वालसनान सांगले. पुलिशेन पयलेच फावट एदी व्हडली मोहीम राबयली. कळंगूट पुलिशेक हे मोहिमेंत वांटेकार करून घेवंक ना. हे मोहिमे खातीर एक खासा पंगड तयार करून तांकां कळंगूट दर्यादेग वाठारांत तैनात केल्ल्याचे अधीक्षक नितीन वालसनान सांगले.
Yesterday night, in a joint operation by Tourism Department and Goa Police, so we have apprehended 30 touts in one stretch, and we have initiated legal action against them. What we did was, like, after meticulous planning, we formed a special team of tourist officials and police men. This time we had a different strategy. What we did was, like, instead of asking the Kalangut police station, because Kalangut police station staff, most of the people involved in touting, they are aware of who are the people posted in Kalangut police station. So what we did was, like, हमने क्या किया, we actually robbed in police officers who are actually in distant police stations like Bicholi, वालपोई, कोलवाले, और उन पुलिस ऑफिसर्स को सिविल ड्रेस में लाइक टूरिस्ट ऑफिशियल्स वी डिप्लॉयड देम इन द कलंगूट एरिया एंड ट्राई टू अप्रोच द पीपल हु आर इन्वॉल्व इन टाउटिंग एंड इन ए वेरी मतलब planned effort we have apprehended 30 of them. So this kind of operations will again continue, and we will ensure that the problem of touting in the Goa is contained or will be taken care of.